Ano kaya ang mga lucky colors mo ngayong Year of the Firehorse 2026? Makinig ka ng mabuti kapakbet para magamit mo sila this 2026 at maka-attract ka ng swerte. Year of the Rat, blue, white at silver. Colors that will help the rat to have a better decision skills. Year of the Ox, green, navy blue at brown for ox progress. Year of the Tiger, red, gold at deep blue para naman sa tapang na mga tiger. Year of the Rabbit, cloudy blue, pink and jade green for rabbit's serenity. Year of the Dragon, gold, crimson at royal blue represents the dragon's power. Year of the Snake, emerald green, black at gold para naman sa wealth ng snake. Year of the Horse, red, gold at white, horse's boldness and renewal. Year of the Goat, green, lilac and silver, peace para sa mga goat. Year of the Monkey, gold, cobalt blue, white, a sign of hope for monkeys. Year of the Rooster, red, white, and navy blue, success ng mga rooster. Year of the Dog, green, brown, and gold, money growth for dogs. Year of the Pig, pink, turquoise, silver, good relationships for pig. Nailista mo na ba kapakbet? Pwede ka magdala ng panyo ng ganyan ang color para swerte ka lagi. Sana ay may natutunan kayong bago mula sa amin. Master Michael here, simplifying feng shui for everyone.
Michael de Mesa, Feng Shui Extravaganza, Year of the Firehorse 2026.